meds. Good job.
I am not a kitten nor a cat. I am not a kitten. Yeah. Boop. I am not a kitten nor a cat. I'm a war criminal. Boop. Let's go. Guys, take your meds. Boop in my nose. Guys. Don't test me. Don't test me. Hannah Montana. The queen of Olo. I'm not insane. Boop in my nose. Hannah Montana. Queen of
I need a little help. I need a little assistance. I don't know why, but I need a little assistance. Can you guys... I don't know, can you guys encourage me to eat? I need help. I need just a little help. I just need a little help. Can you encourage me to eat for a sec? I need a little help. I'm eating. Okay. I'll take a bite. I'll take a bite. I'll give a thumbs up. I can give a thumbs up. There we go.
Oh, you eat food.
Hamstring, let's fucking go with hands. Okay, I'm going for another bite. I needed discipline. I need discipline. I need a reason to eat. How's the pizza dough? Terrible. God awful. I'm eating with my mouth open, or I'm talking with my mouth full. Am I disgusting? Am I gross? I'm already full after 2 bites. I'm already full. It's cold. If you don't eat their food, the PC will explode. Orange Girl Barman, thank you for the resub. Why is it so hard to eat? Food's hard to eat. Okay. Take a big bite. Ow. That bite didn't taste very good. Oh my god. I'm eating. Okay. First of all, I made some fried chicken. Well, I heated up some fried chicken, but it didn't taste very good on its own. So I took the fried chicken and I ripped the skin off with my hands and started tearing apart the chicken with my hands. And then I was like, I could put this shit in some cheesy rice. And so I put some rice with some cheese in my rice cooker. And I made some cheesy rice, and I'll put my chicken in the cheesy rice. Who the hell is this cat? She's kinda cute! I'm a figment of your imagination, bro. A figment of your imagination. I'm not real! Take your meds! Take your fucking meds! I'm not real! Take your meds. 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 Meds now! Meds now! You need meds! Take your fucking meds! Meds now! there's like these pieces of chicken and they're like super long and I don't want to take the long pieces. Like they're too big and I can't cut them. They just slip off my fork. I'm trying so hard, it won't cut. Ah, no, I got the I made a mess. It exploded. God damn it. I exploded my fucking chicken! By the way, I'll just tear it with my fingers. I'm streaming tonight with Leah. We don't know what we're gonna do tonight. We don't have a plan. But I'm streaming with Leah tonight. We literally have zero plan. I asked her last night, hey, what are we gonna do on stream?
The hostage situation.
I don't know. I don't know. We haven't planned that far ahead. But we're streaming tonight. And it's gonna be kind of late. So I'm just playing with my food at this point. How does a person eat a meal like this? I don't understand. What time? 10 p.m. Pacific.
You're a cat, why are you using silverware? Just eat it with your mouth.
Because it's in a bowl and it messes with my whiskers. If I put my face in there, my sensitive whiskers get all tickly. So I have to eat it without my mouth. I bring it to my mouth and my whiskers touch it. I need to be force fed. You know, like the episode of SpongeBob where they tie him up and they force feed him beans? I need to be force fed. I need to be force fed beans. Black Ops in Iraq! Thank you for the 10 gift subs! I'm just eating! You don't have to give me shit here! I'm just here because I'm a loser! And I need to eat my chicken. I really miss doing the hand stuff. I saw my leap motion and this is why I wanted to do it. I saw my leap motion and I was like, yo, I miss my hands. Hands change the experience of a VTuber. Being able to talk with your hands is like a whole new fucking experience. I want my hands. I miss my fucking hands. I miss having hands. Hands make me happy. My leap motion's just been collecting dust. Can you do finger guns? Let's see. I have my leap motion in a weird spot. So I used to put it on this little stand that I use for like my stream deck. But my stream deck, like my with my setup now, it doesn't like reach that far. Let's see. Once. I might have to move the stream or to move it. Move there? Can I do that? Oh. Maybe if I it's kinda hard. I got one of them though. Come on. I believe. We're kinda there. Yeah, there we go. The Italian hand sign. Okay, hold on. Give me my hand. It's a little bit finicky. Oh. It's very finicky. I can't wait for like the hand trackers that are like just gloves. Come on, I just want to be Italian. I want to be Italian. Come on. Italian. Activate! Italian powers activate! It's not working. It's not working. I tried. I'm not punko enough. Okay, I'll take another bite. A big one. Let me get some chicken in it. Oh no, I spilled again. How do I keep spilling? Okay. Ah! There's rice on my feet! God Damn it. Okay. I'll get some of the chicken in there and get some rice. Go. I gotta. Oh, I spilled it. A big spoonful. My hand is shaking. Why is my hand shaking? The rice is falling off the fork because my hand is shaking. Okay. Food is hard, bro. It made too much rice. That was salty. I hate food. Yeah, it's salty. It's too much salt in one spot. My sad bowl of yellow. Okay. I wonder if I could just like speedrun this. Maybe I'll throw up. If I speedrun it. Well, that depends on what we do. If we do a game, then it'll be on both our channels. But I don't know what our plan is. Okay. Just force it in. I don't know if I like it anymore.
Yahoo! Welcome to the hostage situation.
Sweet time, thank you for the follow. I don't know if I like it. This is just sadness. Who the hell is this VTuber? I have no idea. Do it for Leah? I'll do it for Leah. There's still like half the bowl left. God damn it. Who's whiskey? Streamer? Ah, no! My wall panels are falling off again! Okay. They keep falling off because I don't have flat walls. Yuri is literally living in hard mode. I hate one wall steal. You know those walls that are like, they have like a splotchy pattern on them? What are those called? What are those called? They're textured. They're not like popcorn. What is stucco? I have to look it up. Yeah, that's what that is. That's what I have. And adhesive doesn't stick to it very well. But I just want pretty LED lights. keep falling down. And I have to like... I'm like, you know like those little like wall adhesives that you use to hang up like posters? I'm using those to try to keep them up. Because the original adhesive is so far like used up. I can't move it. Can't you drill into them? Yeah, but I think I might make my dad mad. What color the lights? I changed them. I have like 3 different moods. I'll have my light blue lights for like normal setup, and then when I'm in my Joji feels, I'll turn them to dark blue and cry into my pillow. And then when I need to go to eat, I'll turn them to red so I can start getting sleep. This is so much food. I'll take a photo. You just don't understand how much food this is. I'll put it on the screen. That's what I'm eating. Oh my god, the photo's huge. Look at all this food. Is that a worm? No, it's rice. I'm struggling. Ooh. That's like 2 bites in tiny can. No, that's like 12 bites. It's hard. I'm just a baby. I get baby proportions. I would vacuum that up. Look, it's got KFC fried chicken in it. Do you have an actual problem that should be taken up with a physician and not chat? I have a lot of problems that need to be taken up with professionals and not chat, but I choose chat because I trust chat more. I don't trust adults, but I trust chat. I don't trust people, so I don't go see people. All I need is chat. But you're an adult. I don't trust people. I would destroy that shit. Tonight. Oh! I haven't used this model in a while. There we go, the angry face. I was looking for you. Wait. I can't eat if my mouth isn't there. If my mouth's a butthole, I can't eat. Okay. Wait, how do I... See... Actually, this mouth exists because I wanted the rigger for the model to give me X mouth, which means... It's not very good by normal VTuber standards now, but it's like moving my mouth left and right. And he took it literally and gave me X mouth. Okay, I'll take another bite. Let me see if I can get a big one. Yeah, I got out my new one, but my new one is live 2D. This one's 3D, which is different. My genuine reaction.
If you don't finish your food, we won't hit you with a car later.
Wait, I want to be hit with a car. I want to be hit with. Hold on. Okay, I want to be hit with a car. Then my guts will splatter out, and you can see the remains of my chicken and rice on the street. If it weren't for the stream, I totally would have threw everything out. I wouldn't have finished it. I just have a little bit left. Yo, I should get a vase, Dakimakura. You're a genius. I think I looked online for one before and I couldn't find one. I think if I did find one, he was like, I don't know, like, cut his ass cheeks out or something. I don't want Vaz's ass cheeks. I just want his gun to shoot me. I don't know if I can finish. I'm trying so hard. Hold on. I almost gave up on this like last 2 bites, but I think I can do it. Okay. I did it! I did it! I ate my fucking food! Let's go! Let's go! I wish I could clap, but I can't. Win! Victory! 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 Let's go! Victory! My tummy doesn't feel okay. I think I'm gonna vomit this up. I'm gonna go throw this up. She can't stop winning. For real. Don't do that. I'm sorry. I'm trying. This water's still good. I left it out overnight. It's not that bad. Good, now do it again. Fuck no!
Good, now do it again.
I wish I could stick my tongue out. I cannot. Wait, I feel like a version of my model did have a tongue. Did it? Or am I misremembering? Maybe I'm misremembering. I don't know. Maybe I am misremembering. Sad movie.
Yeah, welcome to the hostage situation.
How do I trigger the special one? There's a special emote. There it is. But in yeah. But in yeah. If you ever become a neck orc, I'll run myself over. I've got tears in my eyes.
Yeah, welcome to the hostage situation.
Crazy Rabbit, thank you for the follow. Take your meds. Take your meds. Oh shit. Take your meds. You be react. Wait, can I do that one react image? It's where it's like okay, one. Wait, let me get the right face for it. And then the other one will be like the Drake meme, yeah. Do it with green screen? Okay, hold on. I have to set up a green screen. Here, hold still. I'll green screen. Give me a sec. I have to download a green image. One moment. And hold on, let me get rid of the particle real quick. Oh, you can still see my stuff. Hold on. Sorry. Ignore that. Okay. And then what other poses should I do? Maybe I should go in the center of the screen. Let me hide chat. Did I move at all? I think I moved a little bit. There we go. Okay. I'll do some pointing. This is cute. I keep trying to stick my tongue out because I'm used to sticking my tongue out. I'm trying to wink. Wait. I wonder if I can flip people off. I've been trying for so long, so many years. Trying to flip people off, but it's so hard. My fingers are too stubby. They won't do it. Okay. Okay! 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 Yeah! I'm ferocious. Make finger glasses? Like this? So it blocks my tracking move. Nose. I want to see if I can do the picture frame thing. Ta-da! I do have a nose. I too have a nose. Alright, okay. Hostages. Me! Hostages. Me! Actually, I'm a little bit bigger, but I digress. I miss this 3D model! I miss being 3D! I want to be 3D again. Are you gonna get one from Fuura Yuri? That's up to Sakana. Can you spin? I can spin. Spin? 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 Oh! Wow. I don't know what went wrong. I just don't know what went wrong. Wait. Can I raise the roof? I'm raising the I'm raising the roof. No, give me. I'm raising the roof. I love dancing. Touch it. More like lowering it. Shut the fuck up. Give me my fucking hands. I'm trying to bust a move. I want to fucking bust a move. There we go. Yeah. This is what I get for eating my food. Wait. What the fuck? You eat food? Yeah, I ate my food! Insane! Wait, can I peekaboo? Peekaboo. Oh, no. Please. Peekaboo. 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 I love being 3D. I know some people are like, they have like a debate whether they like 2D or 3D. I feel like I prefer 3D because it allows me to do like more things. I like being able to have hands. I like hands. Cause I talk with my hands, so like having hands changes a little bit everything. Hands. Boom. 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 Italian. Canada, Montana. I cook the pasta. I could hypothetically. I do have the hands only version of this model. I could try to do like I did it before with my old model. I can try to do a hybrid. So I have hands with my 2D model. I could try. I could do that. I'm missing this part right here. I could do that. I could do that with my new model. I could. I kind of want to give it a try. Me when I see Lumi's big badonka honkers. I really should learn Blender. I need to. I really want to be able to make. I want to make a chibi model. That's like one of the things I want to try super badly is sculpting a chibi model, like a cute little chibi model of my new model. I think that would be so cool. I wonder if I'd be able to do it. It just takes a lot of time to learn Blender. But I feel like whenever I don't mean to brag, but when I really like stick to and like sit down and try to learn like a new thing, I can create something decent. Like when I first learned how to rig, I learned how to like make a rather decent Teru model. I mean, it's like the most amazing thing, but it's smooth looking. I learned to rig that like pretty quickly. And I think I'm capable of sculpting. It's just the whole like weight painting and other stuff that I have to learn how to, and like just learning the process of the software. Blender is very overwhelming to me. Like if you gave me like a very simple program that like just let you play with like shapes and like sculpt something, I could probably sculpt something that looks decent. But like the So like making the layers and, you know, like making and weight painting like the model and stuff and doing all the textures and stuff. That's like the more of the process that scares me. I might try it though. I might try it. I forgot I could cheek puff! I hope I get a new 3D model. I really want a new 3D model. I just love being 3D. I love being 3D so much. It's fun! It's fun being 3D! I want to be able to... I hope, like, if I do get 3D, I can have, like, tongue and cheek puff. That's, like, the main things I want. Does Yubi do VR? I have a VR set up. Yes. I have a few VR headsets. I just used one of them though, but I've got the original HTC Vive, and then I've got the Oculus Rift, and then one that I absolutely don't use. I have an Oculus, what do you call it? Oculus Quest 2. I just don't use it though. Yeah, we're having a VR chat meetup later this month. Hands change everything. Hands allow you to be so fucking expressive. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Coming for you. Coming at you. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. I'm coming. I'm so dumb. I'm so stupid. It would be nice if you could rig it up to do the 3D model tracking via live. I think it was before I joined Phase Connect, I was in the progress of working on... I just never got finished with it. I was working on a 3D... I totally could go back to it, but I was working on a 3D room space because I wanted to go full into the 3D. So I was working on a Unity space, our resident suspicious user, Merrick, actually 3D modeled a room for me. So I have a 3D model room, like ready to go. I just was working on the setup. I might try to like redo it, like try to go back to it, because I was having fun. I was just running into some issues with some of the programs. Why is he still sus? Because it's funny. It's funny. The suspicious user in the chat. But yeah, I have all the hardware for it. I have like 12, I think I've got like 12 Vive trackers. So it's gonna be like a 10-point I think it's 10-point model setup where it tracks my ankles, my knees, my elbows, my hands, my waist, my chest, my head, and then it was gonna track. I got a tracker for my gaming chair, so I was gonna get modeled in gaming chair and have a tracker on that, so that the chair would move in my virtual space like it does in my real life, like in real life. So I was gonna do that, and then I was gonna have another tracker that I was gonna use for like my microphone. I love you, Mia. I am Punch Cat for today. Oh, Mia, how's the situation with the gun? Haven't done anything. How's it going? Is your account still up? I'm going to read this out loud. Mia iffy, Blicky got the stiffy, got the Blicky, drama it holds 50, I don't even know what that's a reference to. Guilty! Okay, so I was thinking, if I did nothing, they might forget about it and they might let me have the gun. I know it's probably from a rap song, I just don't know what it's from. It's 6'9". I see. That's so dumb. But I think it'd be cool to pick the project back up. It just kind of sucks because like everything, all the assets I have for the project are like technically outdated now because I have my new model and stuff. But I don't think it was, I mean, I don't think it hurts too, I don't really think it hurts to go back and forth between models, right? I mean, of course you could have the argument that, you have the argument that like maybe there's a conflict between branding. But I don't think it hurts that bad. I actually have a version of this model that I have for that project that's a little bit updated textures-wise. Like the ribbons, because like my textures are kind of weird on this model. I don't know if you guys can notice, but the ribbons are fixed on the model. I added the spots to the hair. A lot of the hair is fixed. One of the other weird things about this model is my shoulder blades. I fixed my shoulder blades. So I gave it like a whole texture upgrade. I know how to use like PMX. And I've like, hold on, actually can I find it? I kind of want to like, I don't know how well I can get away with it. It just depends on like the assets I use. I have to like really read the terms of service and make sure I'm able to do it. But I want to be able to like swap out outfits on the model. I could hypothetically just learn Blender and just like use this model as a base, I guess. Hypothetically, until I get like an official model, an official Face Connect model, and not like a non-official one, because I guess this would be considered non-official. Where's the video I'm thinking of? I have to find it. Hold on. Where are you? It was right before I released my new model. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Lol. Oh wait, I have to put it on loop. There we go. I don't know if anyone remembers this. That's Cat. I don't know why I feel awkward watching this. Yeah, it's just it's like a head swap. I know how to do head swaps. That's like the basic knowledge I have for PMX. Yeah. I don't know, maybe I can extend my knowledge. Do I have a... Hold on, let me see if I can show you guys the room that Merrick made. Wait. Oh, that's not it. I might have moved the file. I think I moved the file to here. I sorted. Artwork? Is this it? I think this is it. Here's the room. Here's the room Merrick made, and this is what I was gonna use for my streams. Here, let me loop it, because it's gonna, yeah, it's gonna disappear. Here is the space. I don't know if I fully shown, I think I might have shown off once or twice. It's like my old room that like I had in the background, but it's like updated version. A lot changed in it. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can like see all the details. This is where I cook. There's Lumi's calling in where we're having a little chat. My weapons. My wanted poster. My PC. The square thing looks like a Valorant spike. Yeah. Cable management crazy. Look. It's really hard to try to figure out where to plug everything in. Okay? It's not easy, especially when you're in a hurry. Looks like a good place to dissect a living person. Yeah, I bring hostages up there all the time and dissect them. Fun! Right? Well, I think I ate my food. And I'm gonna be live tonight with Leah. So I think I'm gonna scramble. I'm gonna scramble on out of here. I'm gonna go commit some war crimes, maybe. Maybe kill some people. Break into some houses. That sounds like fun, right? Let's see, is Lumi still alive? Can I raid her? Is she still alive? Or did she go offline? No, she raided Nintendo? Okay. Let's raid into, Kirsha. I would raid into Mitan, but, if Lumi raided into Mitan, I'll raid into Kirsha. Alright. Is my toy Mia streaming? No, Mia, start streaming. Go live. Mia, go live. Alright, bye.